guys, today we're going to be making Among Us in Scratch. So, we need to jump in quickly. So first thing you want to do, delete the cat, or whatever it is, if you're in a different country. Then you want to make it any colour you want. We're going to be changing this soon, so it doesn't really matter. Make it a bit darker, and then you can do this. To make like a W shape, go up a bit. Yeah, maybe that's a bit too big. You first want to make like a bit like it can't be. It has to be like more symmetrical. You could even do letters for that, and then you do that, do that, and then finally do a black. Get a black and do that. Then you want to kind of like do like a inside like a bluish color, and then you would like to make it like as in it can fit in the mask. Then you need to make it a bit saturated. When I say a bit, I mean very saturated. Then you want to make it like that. And then, yeah, this is not good. But it works. So we're going to keep it. Then fill it in. Then you have a Among Us sprite. So first, you really want to make it very small. Not very, but like 50. Maybe 20. Bit too small. 40. Boom. Then you want to go to backdrops, and then you want to do like you could do a black, like that, quite good, and then you would like to do a saturated, then you may want to make it saturated, and then just do that, like stars. Make sure they're dots, unlike the ones I did over there, and make sure there's not too many. Okay, then that's your background done. One more thing though, before you start. You want to copy this guy, paste him over here, make him a bit smaller. Then you would like to make him a bit like that, and make him turning. Then do it like that. Then you want to do that. Bada bing, bada boom. You've copied your second sprite. Don't make this into a sprite, just get it into that, the backdrop. Okay, then we got all the decoration thing off. So, now, next of all, you want to make a button. In that button, you want to make the outline black and the inside white. Then you want to make it like that. And then, if you want it, you can do like a perfect square. I'm not here to do that, so I'm just going to do it like that and make it very small, like 20. Okay, that's way too small. Maybe like 40. And also, before you want to also go to the sprite one, the Among Us one, and then make sure it's hided. And put that button like right there. Then write start in this. Start. Then when you do that, just make it a bit bigger and a bit bolder in a way. Like maybe get it and then do a different color, like you want to make it like flashy, so I would advise you to do like maybe a bit red, and then it looks a bit like a sunrise. Okay, and then after you do that like that, then second of all, you want to go to sprite 1. When backdrop switches to backdrop, a different one. Just get this one out, you're going to need it later. Start. Okay, let's poke down the start button. When backdrop switches to this one, then show, like that. Then, make sure when this sprite clicks, hide and broadcast the message like this. Obviously, don't make it message 1. You could, but you won't understand it, so I'm going to make it start. Eat. Okay, after you do that, when the sprite clicks, it'll hide and start. It won't start, though. But when green flag clicked, show. But what after you want to do that is broadcast start. So when I receive start, you want to do actually. When I receive start, switch backdrop. So we're going to make an entirely new backdrop. Boring, I know. But it'll all make sense at the end. Like that. You could make it what color you want. In Among Us, it's grey. Then, like that. So I'll make it like that. And then, it's like you want to make some blacks, like yeet, yeet. Make sure these are different sizes, so they look unique. Like that, and then that. Okay, after you do that, you want to do like, you want to, make it. This is going to be this code. So make it when green flag clicked, switch backdrop to backdrop 1. Then you'll see, now start. When I receive, start, show. And then when I receive start, also switch backdrop to backdrop 2. So then you see now, like that. Next of all, we're going to make the controls. So do like this is very like, I would call it messy, but it's more efficient. So make up arrow, down arrow, left arrow, and right arrow. When right arrow is clicked, we want it. I'll start with Y. So when up is clicked, change Y by 10. But when down is clicked, change Y by negative 10. Then you'll see, now you can go up and down. Then you would like to go an X, like, go left, it'd go like, that, so it'd be like, so change X by 10. But also, you don't need to do this, but I do want to. So I'll do like a, I'm also going to do like, make sure this is called normal. That's how you spell gate. Normal. Joking, don't spell it like that. Then call this up. And then you're going to be like, Gabriel, why are you going to call this all up, down, forwards? I won't call it forwards, that's a joke. You want to do that. Now looks like a way to tweet, tortilla. Then you want to do another one. Make sure it's down, facing down like that. Grab it all, put it in the middle. and make sure this is called down. This is very sus when I'm starting to think about this. When left arrows click, I'll call this left. And then, actually we already have a left, so let's just make a right. And then make sure it's flipped horizontally, like that. So you want to make sure when right arrows clicked, when left is clicked, change X by -10. Then you'll see there's a difference. So when left arrow is clicked, I want you to make it switch costume to not down 2. We're just gonna switch it to Noram. New spelling. I'm joking, don't do that. When down arrow is clicked, switch costume to down. And then when up is clicked, switch costume to, you guessed it, up. And then when normal, you don't want to call it normal, you just want to call it like down 2. Then you'll see when it'll look a bit sus. I'm joking, don't do that. Do that and that. Now it'll fit all my arrows, and then look, you can look at that ball wiggle. Okay, after that, you're going to need to do something like you're going to need what do you really call this? Along with that start button, you're going to need it can be identical, it's just the costumes are different and the code is a bit different. You would like to call this you would like to call this customize, because we're going to do a customize. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's how you spell customize. Make it pretty big, but not that big, like it fits in the box. Yeah, like that. And then you'll see there's a customize button, and I want to make it like go under. But when green flag clicks show, when this sprite clicks, we don't want to do that. We want to make a new one called customize. When customize is clicked, we want to, well, change this character's color effect. When I receive customize, change color effect by 25. So if I do, let's say, go to customize, then it could be like a green and white combination. You can make also choose, but I like the idea of them thinking they're going to have like a weird different one. But when customize is clicked, also broadcast start. I want to just bring it over to there. Broadcast start. There. And when the sprite clicked, broadcast customize. When I receive customize, hide. Customize. Look, now you'll get that type. Oh, maybe this time you'll get a brown one. But when start is clicked, then you want to do something else. When I receive start, But guys, this is going to be the end, so bye, have a great day, and bye.